Kawhi Leonard did not play in Game 6. Greg Popovich deciding to rest that ankle. Jonathan Simmons gets the start. And remember, Kawhi didn't play in overtime in Game 5 either. But Jonathan Simmons picking up the slack. He's throwing it down. What a game he had on the road in an elimination potential game. LaMarcus Aldridge was a beast in the paint. There's no Nene. And Aldridge dropped 34 points. The Spurs are without two former Finals MVPs, Tony Parker and Kawhi. You're at home. There's no excuse to be going down this much. And guess what? James Harden only had 10 points in this game. He made just 2 shots, and that was one of them. The rest was at the free throw line. Simmons cooking on offense. But this is embarrassing. How can you perform this bad when you're at home? It's Game 6. You can go to the conference finals. How do you only put up 10 points and you're an MVP candidate? That makes no sense. Why wasn't he aggressive? Why wasn't he taking shots? Harden never plays like this. It makes no sense. This loss was so bad that Lil B, he wants to remove the curse. But James Harden has to talk to him if he's going to remove that curse. That's the funny part. James Harden is not going to reach out. He's going to be cursed forever. What a sad way to lose. We got a little bit of a altercation here. Nothing too crazy, but Ariza and Danny Green. Ariza wasn't letting Green up. That's a veteran move. It's playoff basketball. Nothing really happened though. No flagrant fouls, nothing like that. Game continues. And this is when you know it was over, when they throw the lob in transition. It's only the third quarter, but that's it. This crowd is completely silent. They're all feeling like they wasted money on these playoff tickets. How could you come out and get blown out this bad? If you lose the game, that's okay, but how do you get blown out like this at home? That shouldn't be possible. You shouldn't be making your fans leave early like this. The Spurs advance to the conference finals. They will be taking on the Golden State Warriors. And Avery Bradley scored a career playoff high 29 points. And what's funny about this is I actually predicted those numbers in the last video of this series. When the Wizards tied the series 2-2, I said they figured out how to beat the Celtics. You got to stop